Begin by safely lifting and supporting the vehicle in the level position. The vehicle must be level so you can set the proper fluid level. Remove the transmission under tray. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with lifting and supporting your vehicle, as well as removing any of the under trays. With the under tray panel removed, you can see the transmission pan, green arrow, the drain plug, blue arrow, and the under panel cross brace, red arrow. The brace is going to get in the way of working on the transmission, so remove it. Use a 10mm socket and remove the center bolt, red arrow, and then the bolts on each side, blue arrows. Use a 10mm socket on an extension and remove the bolts that hold the brace to the frame on each side and set the brace aside, red arrow. Before you begin draining the fluid, make sure to place the largest catch pan you have under the vehicle. Use a T25 Torx and remove the drain plug indicated by the red arrow. Allow all of the fluid to drain out. There still will be a few liters of fluid in the pan after you finish this stage. Make sure you have a new washer for the drain plug before you reinstall it. You're going to put the plug back in while warming the vehicle, and I like to leave the old washer on until the final step. Use a long 5mm Allen and remove the plastic tube inside the drain opening, red arrow. Allow all of the remaining fluid to drain. This is the tube you will be removing. This sets the fluid level when filling. Use a 10mm socket and remove the fasteners in a crisscross pattern, leaving the rear two corners loosely connected. You will need a swivel or a universal to access the rear fasteners through and around the cross member, red arrow. Use a small pry bar and lower the front of the pan, red arrow. Do not pry between the pan and the mounting surfaces. Use caution as there is still a fair amount of fluid in the pan. Lower the front first and drain all of the remaining fluid. Remove the pan fully from the transmission. Fluid will still drip out as you do this. You are going to replace the gasket and spacers, red arrow, and remove and clean the 4 magnets, blue arrow. The magnets catch any metal shavings from the transmission and help keep them out of the fluid. This is an average buildup with a transmission with 100,000 miles on it. Using your hands only, pull the old gasket off of the pan. Install the new spacers into the new gasket. Clean the pan thoroughly with a cleaner and a lint-free towel. Install the clean 4 magnets into their spots indicated by the red arrows. Lubricate the new gasket with Porsche Synthetic lubricant or equivalent. Use a 10mm socket and remove the 4 screws holding the filter in place. Use care as the filter is full of fluid. Lower the filter from the transmission. Make sure the O-ring comes out with the old filter, red arrow. Install the new O-ring onto the new filter and lubricate with some clean transmission fluid, red arrow. Reinstall the filter, making sure the O-ring mates correctly with the valve body, and install the bolts in a crisscross fashion and torque to 7 foot-pounds. Clean the mounting surface of the transmission, reinstall the pan, and torque the fasteners in a crisscross pattern to 7 foot-pounds. Install the plastic tube into the pan. Do not over-tighten this. It is finger-tight only. Install your fill tube adapter indicated by the red arrow. Fill your pump with 10 liters of transmission fluid and attach the pump to the fill adapter. Fill the transmission with 6 to 7 liters of fluid. Start the vehicle and with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, shift the transmission through all of the gears, stopping in each gear for 10 seconds. Place the shifter back into park. While the engine is idling, add 2 more liters of fluid. Remove the pump and the fill adapter and hand tighten the fill plug. Use your scan tool to access the transmission temperature function. You will want to set the level between 35 and 45 degrees Celsius. It will take a little time for the fluid to warm, but the temperature will move quickly once it approaches 33 degrees. Open the drain plug and allow the excess to start draining out. If nothing is draining out, you did not put enough fluid in. Add more fluid. Once the fluid stops flowing out, red arrow, and just starts dripping out while the fluid temperature is between 35 and 45 degrees, the level is correct. Install the drain plug and torque it to 12 foot-pounds. Do not allow the temperature to exceed 45 degrees when setting the level. If the fluid is still flowing out at 45 degrees, stop the engine, install the drain plug, and allow everything to cool down to 35 degrees, and start the level setting again. Reinstall the panels and you are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.